Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable for building a no-code workflow app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Airtable website at airtable.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to choose between signing up with your Google account or using an email address. If you prefer to use your Google account, click on the corresponding button and follow the authentication prompts. If you choose to sign up with an email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets Airtable's security requirements. After filling in the required information, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Airtable. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Airtable site and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by Airtable's dashboard. To begin building your no-code workflow app, click on that Add a Base button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that suits your needs. For a guided experience, select a template. Browse through the available options and click on a template that interests you. Once selected, click the Use Template button to create a copy in your workspace. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes tables, fields, and views. Open each table to review the existing fields and data structures. To customize the template, click on any field to edit its name or type. Add new fields by clicking the plus icon at the right end of the table headers. Choose the field type that best represents the data you want to capture. After setting up your fields, start entering data either manually or by importing it. To create a no-code workflow, explore the Automations feature in the sidebar. Click on Automations and then create an automation to begin setting up your workflows. Follow the prompts to choose a trigger for your automation. Select the actions that should occur once the trigger is activated. Test your automation to ensure that it functions correctly. With the foundation laid, continue refining your base by adding views and filters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.